Greetings. We are excited for the opening of the 25-26 school year. I have conducted walkthroughs today at 3 different buildings and progress is being made. What we saw and witnessed today were classrooms that were clean, bright, and ready for teachers to set up in anticipation for the arrival of their students. We also saw hallways that were clean, bright. If you have noticed my surroundings, I am standing in the Innovation Lab here at Sojourner Truth. How beautiful, how bright, how much of a transformation this room has happened. 4 other innovation labs will be complete. We are anticipating the arrival of our Innovation Lab furniture to take place in anticipation of the arrival of our students. We're looking for innovative, exciting, creative thinking, out-of-the-box, imaginary things to take place in this room. You will also see some exciting things on the exterior. Landscaping is being completed at all of our buildings. Mulch, new flowers. We think our students here in Poughkeepsie deserve the best, and we're putting forth every effort to do so. Now, we will see some dust here and there, but we are making progress to receive our faculty, our staff for the 25-26 school year. I believe our parents, our students, faculty and the like are all excited about what's happening here in Poughkeepsie. New beginnings start today in Poughkeepsie.